Hello everyone, my name is Rian Hidayat. This time I will review one of the product, namely the Apple iPhone 11. One of the iPhone phones released in 2019, whose price has indeed dropped even though it is still in the expensive category in my opinion. Yes, because I usually use a cell phone that costs between 2 and 3 million and less. The iPhone 11 was initially sold for 13 million, but the price has now dropped to 8 million for the new model. If it's the second one of the definitely below that, is that iPhone's 11 still worth it of us in 2023? And is it not necessary to have a camera if you already have an iPhone? We will discuss this in video.
The first one that will be discussed is the design. The iPhone 11 has a design that I think has nice aluminum frame. The front and back are glass. Then there are dual cameras was designed is followed by many Android phones and even. In fact, the overall design of the iPhone is still the benchmark of the number of Android phones in its time. At the bottom, you will find the power input. To the right of the speaker and the left of the microphone. There is also a SIM card input on the side and a power button. On the other hand, there is a volume button and a switch for a tight mute. The antenna on the iPhone 11, which lacks a 3.5mm jack, is visible at the top of the strips on the side, and some bands include speakers. Because iPhone 11 is dual speakers stereo device, the speakers are located beneath and above a 12 megapixel front-facing camera with a biometric sensor for Face ID. On the back, there is the Apple logo, and some people are willing to buy replica of the iPhone to get this logo. In the Apple logo is one of the most prestigious logos. What do you think? You can comment below.
A print of the Apple logo can also be found in the tab shortcut. uh, that you can select and set in your phone setting. Design and build quality of this iPhone I think are good, and I like that people say the bezel are still relatively thick when compared to the latest iPhone. Obviously, because it's not the latest iPhone. Then there's the iPhone 11, which I can still hold with one hand, despite the fact that it feels a little oversized in my hand, and I have no complaints about the design or build quality. Plus, the iPhone 11 is IP68 certification, meaning that it is water and dust resistant and can last 30 minutes at the depth of 2 meters. It is not yet resilient, so there is no need to slam brand. Moving on the screen. From what I saw, this iPhone screen is good with a size of 6.1 inch, even though it is not full HD but still in HD plus. with the True Tone display white color feature. You want to be too bothered by this screen for daily use. Unfortunately, there is Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection and an anti-oil coating. Behind the shortcomings, the result of the design that I made to watch YouTube and play screen reading games are relatively good. In my opinion, it's reasonable that even though this is an old cell phone, the price is still expensive. Battery iPhone 11 for the battery has a capacity of 3110 mAh. The sales package of iPhone 11 without a charger, so it's necessary to use third party of charger or buy the original from the iPhone. Now, I'm buying a charger cell from a third party because of price consideration, which can also be your consideration because this third party charger, namely the Loops brand charger, has a charger time required for this iPhone 11 of about 1 hour more than 30% until battery is full. For its own use, the iPhone 11 can last from morning to evening to night even with a screen on time about 4 to 5 hours for standard use rather than happy gamers. Which means for social media, read and read videos, and a little game, even if the result of the trial iPhone 11 to play Mobile Legends games with high graphics 30 minutes, the battery is reduced by 10%. Moving on the iPhone 11 operating system, you can update to iOS 16, about which I can say much. During my use, I have no problem at all with the OS being used comfortably, smooth, because the iPhone 11 is a high-end cell phone. Whose performance is reliable. The iPhone 11 is powered by a hexa-core Apple 313 Bionic 7nm processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, as well as Apple's GPU 4 cores. This power belongs to the flagship class, and it has been demonstrated that it can beat some of the games I tried. For example, I can play the Mobile Legends comfortable without any problems. In my opinion, there is also no frame drop because it doesn't feel at all and there is no lag. Also, I don't know how the game perform when the battery is low 30%. I try it when the battery is above 50%. Just look for safe term, and if you have played the game for up to 30 minutes, for example, the Mobile Legends game, the cell phone body will feel warm and feel annoying when 45 minutes to 1 hour when playing Mobile Legends. The heat felt body of the cell phone is faster than the time I mentioned earlier. Now for choose of you have tried using the cell phones for extreme graphic or paging right in happy games. Try sharing your experience in the comment below. The advantage of this iPhone 11 is the ultra wide lens, which especially useful for iPhone X user or their siblings who are concerned about camera quality. The latest iPhone series itself consists of 3 cameras, including 2 rear cameras, the main camera with a 12 megapixel sensor and an ultra wide camera with a 12 megapixel sensor. that use a 13mm lens with an f2.4 aperture and a field of view. Plus, you can now get much better image when shooting at night or in low light condition. The wide lens on this latest smartphone made by Apple allows you to produce photos in different angles. Not only the rear camera is interesting, but the front camera is no less cool. The 12 megapixel front camera is also equipped with the True Depth feature, which is able to record videos with 4K resolution and 16 fps. Another interesting thing is the Slofi or slow motion selfie feature, which allows you to take selfies in slow motion, and there's an example for the photos and videos. In conclusion, whether the iPhone 11 is feasible in 2023, the answer is extremely feasible for those of you who enjoy happy games and photos because it is easy to carry around, and in some situations the result of good image can be used to create content on various platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or playing happy games. Even though it can be liberated by this iPhone 11, the result of the photos and videos are good, and if there is a budget, please take an iPhone. But to replace to professional camera completely, I don't think it can be because these two have different parts. So there are also choose known as mobile photographer or mobile videographers to give you strictly if they use smartphone, and there are indeed known as photographer and videographers. Plus, there are some things that cannot be achieved by the smartphone camera. Earlier, the review of the iPhone 11 for use in 2023. Hopefully, you will be helped by this video. Like if you like, dislike if you don't like it. Please comment or ask question. Don't forget, and see you next time, guys.